So welcome back or welcome. I'm here today with some Monday motivation. Perhaps you didn't feel like doing the laundry and it's piled up. And you just can't keep letting it pile up. So come on, let's wash our laundry together. Due to mom's sensitive skin, we use Purex natural elements. And since I'm washing my clothes and towels as well, I figured just use it for all of the loads so I won't mix it up and cause mom an issue. I'm such a thoughtful daughter. I am Katrina, and this is Katrina's Prices Home Life and More, where I share home decor, cooking, cleaning vlogs, and shopping hauls. So if you're new and these are things that you love, you know what to do. Go ahead and like, subscribe, and join my growing YouTube family. Make sure to hit that notification bell twice so you never miss an upload. You can probably hear the dryer is still on. The washing machine is, it just stopped. But I wanted to pop on and say thank you so much for all of my loyal subscribers. Thank you for your patience, your understanding, and coming back here week after week to see what I'm doing here on the channel. And if you're new here, well, I appreciate you clicking, liking, subscribing to the channel as well. Mom and I are doing so much better. So we thank you so much for your continued support and your prayers. And I thank you for your patience. I'm almost back. That's right. I'm almost back to starting my deep cleaning and my home decorating again. I'm telling you, I miss it. I really do. Mom is saying, oh, the house is not that dirty. And I'm saying, whew, I need to deep clean from top to bottom, room to room. Whew. But I'll be back real soon. Well, while I'm waiting on the rest of this clothes to finish, I think I'll put something in the oven. Let's see what I'm going to put together. Let's go. So I remembered I had a few pork chops left. So they have been thawed, cleaned, seasoned, and have been marinating for about 45 minutes. And of course, there is a recipe, and I'll make sure to link it down in my description box below for your convenience. Okay, I'll give you the first bite. Well, doing laundry is not one of my favorite chores, but once I start, I'm okay because I know laundry never does itself. So thanks so much for stopping by to see what I'm doing here on today. And I hope that you have enjoyed today's video so much that you gave me, that big thumbs up and you left a kind comment below. And if you're new here, yeah, I know you already subscribed. So welcome to the family. Videos are posted on Tuesdays and Thursdays, 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And until next time, stay safe, stay blessed, and remember, you are absolutely priceless. Now, to the next video. I can see